Good afternoon, everybody. Today we have made a return visit to Captain's Wood. It's a Suffolk Wildlife Trust reserve, and it's built up with many different habitats. It's got like an ancient woodland, meadows, lots of different areas to explore. But the main reason that I want to make a return visit today was to go on a fungi hunt. Obviously it's that time of year to do that. We did come here, I think it's 2 years ago that we actually made our first visit here, and we did really enjoy it, and we did say that we would come back, but this is the first time in the 2 years that we've actually come back. And it was around about this time that we made the first visit as well. I think it was late September possibly, and we're now getting towards the end of October. And yeah, so I'm hoping that we're going to find plenty of fungi. And where I'm standing right now, there is a spectacular display of some kind of fungi. So I'll pan. Here we go. Yeah, so that's just like 5 minutes into the walk, and already found a good clump of fungi there. Right, so we'll just carry on and see what we can see. Some gorgeous autumn colours. All the bracken now starting to die back. So we've got lovely browns and oranges, golden yellows. It's gorgeous. And with the sun shining for us again today, it's really enhancing those colours. Beautiful autumnal vibes. One of my favourite times of the year. About 12:30 in the afternoon, and we're hearing an owl. I hear it now. It's typical, isn't it? Whenever you put your camera on, whatever you're trying to listen for stops. So we've got this old rotten tree here that's of mushrooms and fungi. I think this is I think that is the shelf fungi. Let's just turn the camera around to see if we get a better picture of it. Let's have a look. We've got a lovely one down here with its white rim, and then down here there's lots of them. So pretty. So that's definitely the sort of fungi that we're looking for. That's a good find. There's quite a lot of the same, with the little cream topped ones. Some are sort of like peaked, some are flat. Sort of like cover the floor bed. Well, so far so good. It's a nice big one. Robert's just seen a deer jumping through the bracken. I think we just heard it barking as well. Right in front of you, was it? It's lucky. Some plenty of signs of them. We're now coming up to the ancient part of the woodland. Some really interesting looking trees. Proper old. See if we can get in, have a look. We did last time, but it seems though the bracken is still a bit higher than last time.
Green, isn't it?
Yeah. Let's go in and have a look.
15 degrees.
Don't know if you could actually hear that on the video. We've got the deer barking just over there. So we're just walking into this part of the woodland. These old trees. The old oaks. Let's turn around. Hope you can hear that. It's so close. So apparently there is a herd of deer in the woodland. Robert's just spoken to a family that have just seen them. Big stag. So hopefully we might catch a glimpse of them. We certainly heard them, or heard the stag. Robert's happy, he's got benches.
The important thing of all, we've got benches.
Robert's always happy when he finds a bench. Actually, it's a good place to sit. Those deers are out there. under this chestnut tree, and can we find hardly any chestnuts? No. Squirrels have nicked them all. You got one? Oh, you got a few. So look, got a few. Actually, the ones that I found are just what have been laying outside the husks. But we want to try doing them in the air fryer. They're under these beech trees now. Okay, so we're now leaving all the woodlands behind us, and we're just walking across this meadow, and we've got all the gorse out in lovely yellow blooms. Yeah, so we're now actually only a few metres away from where we started. So where Robert is walking down the pathway, that's the gate that we first came in. And it has just been an absolute glorious walk again. So glad that we chose to come back today. Found lots of fungi, which is what we were hoping to, or I was hoping to anyway. Not seen so many varieties as what we did last time, but what we have seen has been pretty good display. It's been brilliant that we heard the deers. Would really like to have seen them, but can't have it all, I suppose. Yeah. So all in all, another fantastic day. Sun shining for a little while, and it's just proper autumnal vibes with it. Really gorgeous. Loved it. Anyway, so I'm going to finish the video here. Robert's just set off the hover, so that's what you can hear in the background. So I'm going to finish the video here. So thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye. We've got evidence of owl. An owl pallet. See all those little bones. Let's try to see if there was a skull in there. Oh, there it is, I think. These used to really fascinate me as a kid. Ah, here it is. Here's the skull, I think. Yes. Here we go. What's that? Robert's going to hate me bring this back, but so years ago, I used to collect all the owl pellets that I used to find, and I used to pick out all the little bones and stick them on a piece of cardboard. And I have still got them somewhere to this day. Don't know where though, but yeah. So let's see what Robert thinks of my little skull I found. Oh, here we are, Robert. Look what I found, Robert. So have a look. What do you think it is?
It's a bird.
It's not a bird, they're teeth.
Oh, it's a mouse.
Rat.
You just dug that out of that poo.
I have just dug that. That's not poo, it's...
Right, so you just went in somebody's vomit and dug it out of your hands.
Yeah, and I'm now going to make you a cup of tea.
That's nice.
And give you a biscuit.
Thanks.
I am going to take it home.